Persian sun-scarred land, and held a steady rightful stand. He broke the chains that bound the weak, and cleared a path for those who seek. He marched through Lydia's wide front gate, with calm resolve, not wrath or hate. He honored faiths in every land, and ruled with open heart and hand. In Babylon he walked at peace, restoring hope where grief would cease. He raised the lost from deep despair, and gave the weak a rightful share. He built a realm of broad embrace, where many voices found their place. He ruled by honor, not by fear, and kept the paths of justice clear. Cyrus set the rights of humankind, a shining truth for every mind, a flame that keeps the world alive, a light that helps all hope survive. Cyrus set the rights of humankind, a shining truth for every mind, a flame that keeps the world alive, a light that helps all hope survive. Fields of frost, he led with steady care, not lost. He bridged the lands once split by strife, and brought their scattered hopes to life. He listened first before command, and weighed the needs of every land. He chose the wiser path of peace, so conflict waned and war would cease. His legacy through age stays, a beacon set in distant days. He proved that strength can guard the true, and lift the many, not the few. Though centuries have dimmed his reign, his name still burns in truth's domain. For he who conquered far and wide, let justice be his constant guide. Cyrus set the rights of humankind, a shining truth for every mind, a flame that keeps the world alive, a light that helps all hope survive. Cyrus set the rights of humankind, a shining truth for every mind,